Hi, my name is Clay Young, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a PowToon. First of all, we're going to go up here and we're going to go to powtoon.com if you have not done so already. This is the main page where you can log in at. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. If you have a Facebook account, you can log into your Facebook account and it links it to that. If not, you can just fill out your name and a few other things and create a new account. Then we're going to click Start Now. Alright, this is your main page, and we'll hit cancel because that just popped up. We'll click start for create a new Powtoon. You have the option of a new blank project, promotional video, slideshow, educational clip, infographic video, or social clip. These down here are templated, so you can use what they've already created and just adjust your info to create a new one. So we'll go social clip and event promo. We'll say um, new video games. Um, Now this is our main workplace right here. As you can see on the left side, we have the 5 slides that have already been created because we used a template. It's kind of set up like Microsoft PowerPoint. And then the top ribbon here, we have it's kind of set up a little bit like Movie Maker. So you have new, save, cut, copy, paste. Then you can insert sound here. You can bring in new images that you have stored on your computer or that you can go get from the internet. Then you can mess with text settings and bold, italicize, underline, just kind of like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. And here's your preview button if you want to preview it full screen, and then you can also export to YouTube. So as you can see, we're on slide 1 here. Click it. Down here is where your items are that you bring in, and since we have a template, we have 7 items here. The first one that we click on is click play to watch this template. And you can see that on our timeline down here, it is going to show up from 0 to half a second. This controls how long the action is on the screen for, and you can make it shorter or you can make it longer. As you can see, the slide's default length is 7 seconds. We can add to it or we can take away from it. So we'll leave that right there. Then insert the subject of your event right here. So we're going to go over here to edit. We'll put video games. Apply. That's going to show up from 1 to 6 seconds. So we'll edit something here. We'll add something here. We can change these if we want to, but for now we're going to leave it. And that will open to the general public will come up from 3 to 6 seconds. So we can start at play from the front. and you can see um, how the items come into the screen once I've changed them. So that's the main things that I want to teach right now. Over here, we have add a new slide. So I'll add a new slide and we'll bring this towards the end. You can rearrange them as you can in PowerPoint, and I'll just show you some of the neat tools you have over here. Over here we have the different types of styles. Since we're using the free version, um, we can click here and use the animated cartoon characters if we want. I kind of like them. We have different kind of text effects up here, so I'll just show you one of them. Here's one that I like. You just pull over and drop it on the board, and you can move it anywhere you want on the board. So we'll put it at the top, and we'll say we can change the color, and it gives you a little preview over here where his hand is going to write "I love video games" on there. So then they have some image holders. Let's see here. We can bring this computer screen over, and we can put something in here. Flickr is a real neat place to find free, non-copyrighted um, images that you can use. So we'll just we'll put this in here for now. I'll accidentally delete it. We'll just use this for our purposes now. So now we have a computer with YouTube as our background. Then we have characters that we can put in. We have characters that do animations. As you can see, he's moving his arms. Then we have some props. We have a heart. We have some arrows and shapes. And then we have some backgrounds. Let's see here. Here's a whiteboard frame. So it looks like they're drawing on a whiteboard. So we can watch this as we put it in. We'll press play. As you can see, I didn't pay attention to where I put the timelines on, just for demonstrational purposes. But when you're creating your own PowToon, you want to have some kind of logical order on how you bring in your new items. Say, for example, if you want to bring in your text first and then bring in a character to help support your text, just make sure that it flows smoothly so your audience will get a good understanding for it. And that's basically all I have to show you. That's the basic necessities that you need to make your own PowToon. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you a PowToon that I've previously created. They take a little bit of time, so I'm not going to show you exactly how to make a full one right now. I just showed you the basic necessities to make your own PowToon, and I'll show you what a finished product looks like. put it in full screen. I made this PowToon earlier this year to help inform younger teachers on how to become better teachers, using technology to help them relay messages to students in the classroom, just to be aware of the students and how they learn. So I hope this video helped you learn how to create a PowToon and how you can use it in your classroom. Your students could use it in place of a PowerPoint, or um, they could use it to relay messages to other students or to the teacher, just to demonstrate their understanding of what they've learned in the classroom. So it's a pretty neat tool to use, and it's free. Um, so I encourage you to use it, and thank you for viewing this video.